Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to play Pokémon Infinite Fusion on your Android device. Pokémon Infinite Fusion is a fan-made game that allows players to fuse Pokémon together to create unique, hybrid creatures. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Step 1. Download a game emulator. Since Pokémon Infinite Fusion isn't available on official app stores, you'll need to download an emulator for Android. We recommend using Melon DS or Drastic DS emulator, as these are both stable and reliable. Go to a trusted source and download the emulator APK file. Before installing, go to your Android settings and enable Install from Unknown Sources, found under Security or Apps. Install the emulator by opening the APK file. Step 2. Download Pokémon Infinite Fusion ROM. Next, you'll need the game itself. Pokémon Infinite Fusion is a ROM file that runs on the emulator. Search for Pokémon Infinite Fusion ROM in a trusted ROM site. Make sure to download it from a legitimate source to avoid any security issues. Download the Pokémon Infinite Fusion ROM file. It should be in a .nds format. Step 3. Set up the emulator. Once the emulator and ROM are ready, follow these steps to set everything up. Open the emulator you installed, Melon DS or Drastic DS emulator. On the main menu, look for an option to load ROM or open ROM. Select the downloaded Pokémon Infinite Fusion ROM from your storage. The game should start loading automatically. Step 4. Configure controls. For a smooth gaming experience, it's essential to configure the touch controls. Go to the Settings section in the emulator. Select Control Setup or Touchscreen Configuration. Customize the controls by mapping the on-screen buttons to fit your comfort. You can also use an external controller if you have one. Step 5. Start playing Pokémon Infinite Fusion. Now that everything is set up, you're ready to dive into Pokémon Infinite Fusion. Launch the ROM file from the emulator. Begin your journey in the world of Pokémon as you fuse various Pokémon species to create incredible hybrids. Explore, battle, and unlock new features as you progress through the game. Step 6. Save and load. Your progress. To save your progress and prevent losing any data, follow these steps. While in-game, go to the emulator's menu and select Save State to save your current game. To load your saved game, simply choose Load State and select the file you saved earlier. That's all. You're now ready to enjoy Pokémon Infinite Fusion on your Android device. With the help of a good emulator and the Pokémon Infinite Fusion ROM, you'll have access to a whole new world of Pokémon fusions. Have fun and experiment with different combinations to discover new and exciting Pokémon.